Yo everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. All right, Israel the trader speaking right here. So we're about to do our weekly analysis and stuff like that. So we're about to get started, and welcome everybody. Welcome and welcome and welcome. How are you guys doing and how is trading so far? Hope you guys are cleaning the market. You know, it is what it is. We are still in it, man. Just checking what exactly is happening on volatilities and the currency pairs. So we are about to do our analysis on currency pairs right now. That's why I'm coming live and direct on YouTube, right? So yeah, let's get things started. Let me just share the link to our Telegram channel so that they can come and join us as well, right? It is very, very important. Let's get it, man. All right. Let me send the links so they can come and join us. Very important. Okay. All right, I just share the links to them now, so hopefully they'll come and join us right away. Let's just wait for some minutes in order for them to come and join us, right? Yeah, let's get it, man. Let's get it. And also, if today's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. It is very, very important, right? So make sure you smash the like button, to trigger the YouTube algorithm. So it is very, very important. Yeah, this is Euro JPY anyway, our trade that we took last week. Now, Euro JPY, we killed it last week, so now we are waiting for the market to come down for retracement before we look out for another entry point again, or we'll see what exactly is going to happen next, right? So I'm waiting for this to finish retracement and stuff like that. So yeah, and also before we officially start this analysis, if you have any pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can just send it via live chat. You can just say, hey Israel, can you check this pair for me? I will check it out. So that's just what you have to do. Just do it and I will check it out. So yeah, without any waste of your time, let's just try and start analysis with AUD pairs, right? So AUD card last week hit our stop loss for about 70 pips. So it is what it is. I took the loss on this, and that's just it, right? So right now, there's nothing much interesting on this pair being AUD card. So I'll come back down to the next pair of AUD still the same. AUD JPY. AUD JPY is trying to get, trying to give us this entry point, or try to confirm that here I'll buy to continue to move for a buy, right? But let's see what is going to happen. So this is AUD JPY right now, and this is 1 hour time frame. I'll just deal with 1 hour time frame here because I don't want to waste much of your time. So just highlight what I'm seeing on this and tell you what exactly might happen and stuff like that, right? So that's just what I will do right here. That just it. So yeah, so the next thing you look out for candlestick patterns and stuff like that before you can now get in for a buy or sell. It depends on what you will be seeing in the market, right? And in this case now, it's going to be a buy. So AUD JPY will buy, guys, to the upside. To buy to the upside, and let me set the long position. This is it now. So it's gonna go up for around 70 pips. You will be risking around 30 pips. So that's just it. There's nothing much on this, guys. So yeah, before you consider it to continue to go to the upside, or for you to be able to continue to hold your trade, except you see a break out of this yellow line, right? Once you see a break out of this level, it's going to continue to push back up to the upside. So you know, it's very important for you to monitor this move and what is happening on AUD right? So it is very important, guys. Just monitor what exactly is happening on AUD But when the market opens, I'm seeing that AUD it will move to the upside for about 70 pips. So that's what I'm seeing on AUD right now, guys. So make sure you check it out yourself as well and confirm what I'm saying, so you can understand what's going on, right? Because I don't want you just maybe take this trade randomly and stuff like that. So it is very important for you to kind of confirm the analysis again and before you get in, right? Very important. All right, guys. Yeah, so let's move back down to the next pair that we'll be having. Let me check another one. ADSGD. There's nothing much interesting on that. ADSGD. Nothing much interesting. ADUSD. Let's check on ADSD on 4-hour time frame and see what's happening, right? See, last week we took around 180 pips on ADUSD as well. Last upper week, yeah, I think it was last upper week, but the move completed this week, right? So there's no problem since we already know that, yeah, it is a take profit hit, right? So no problem for that. All right, so that's just that for 80 USD. So I will still do the analysis and stuff like that if you want to, but I will not do much analysis anyway because I still got my support and resistance and stuff like that right here. The only thing is I might extend this to this age, right? I might extend it to this point. So we can expect the market to come down to this point before it goes up to the upside, or it will respect this support level right here before it continues to push back up to the upside, right? So we will see what exactly is going to happen when the market opens on Sunday, right? So it is very important for us to monitor the moves and things like that, guys. So it is very important. So yeah, you know, as we continue, guys, if you have any question, you can just let me know or ask. Say, hey Israel, please, I don't understand this, I don't understand that. You know, I'll kind of try and see how I can help you out so that you can understand how to do things like this in the forex market, right? It is very important, guys. So yeah, all I was saying is, I say that wait for this this particular support to break and move to this point, or the market will give us an entry point right here and we ride it all the way to the upside, right? So let's see how far will this move happen, you know. So this move is going to happen for about 100 pips. You see that? 100 pips, and your stop loss is going to be around 50 pips, right? Stop loss is going to be around 50 pips right now because that's what I'm seeing right on this trade. Yeah, that just see. So since you already know that your take profit is 100 pips and stop loss is 50 pips, this is what we refer as 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, right? So after you know this, you know, you can calculate how many lot size you are supposed to get in and stuff like that on your account. Very important, guys. So that's that for AUD. You know, is there any question on this trade, on this analysis, guys? If you have any question, you can let me know. Just ask, hey Israel, I don't understand this and don't understand that. You know, like I said, I'll just answer your question and stuff like that, right? So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you want us to kind of continue to do this and stuff like that. It is very important. That's the only way you can help this channel out, right? So that's just it. Just give this video a thumbs up and ask a question if there is a question, right? So Sorry, let me answer somebody. Person is kind of asking a lot of questions like that. Just give me a few minutes, seconds anyway. All right. Okay, so yeah, guys, let's continue with the analysis, right? We have 1 hour to finish everything right here. So let's just continue and see what we can do so far or what we can cover, right? It is very, very important. William is saying what's happening on V75. There's nothing much happening on V75. I'm still holding my trade. So, you know, there's nothing much happening on V75 right now. So it is what it is. I'm still holding my position right here. Though not complete, but I'm still holding some of them, right? That's just it. So V75 will sell, but observe what's happening first before you start selling it. So that's just it. Observe what's happening before you start selling it. So V75, how to break out of this before it will continue to sell, right? Because if it's not able to break out of this, it will continue to push back up to the upside from here. Or you can put your trend line like this. So you see that it's breaking out of this trend line now. CV75 is breaking out of it, right? So you have to completely break out of this before you can now change decision and say, okay, it's gonna go up for a buy and stuff like that, right? So that's the only thing on volatility 75. There's nothing much happening on that. So let's see what we got next. So let's go down to another pair. Okay, that's BCH is Bitcoin. This is BDT USD, which is BitTorrent. I don't know if you guys know about BitTorrent anyway. So this is the card JPY, CHF JPY, Dogecoin, DXY, Euro AUD, okay, Euro card, okay, Euro GBP. I'm still holding my sell position on Euro GBP as well from last week's trade. Euro half, I'm not on that. So like I said, Euro JPY will come down for a retracement before it will continue to push back up to the upside, right? So this is what Euro JPY will do, guys. It will come down to this point before Euro JPY will push back up to the upside. That's what I'm saying on Euro JPY. And of course, you can still let me know if there is any other question on this analysis and stuff like that. Is there any question, guys? You can let me know. Euro NOK, Euro NZD. So Euro NZD right now is ranging, right? Euro NZD is ranging. So since we know that Euro NZD is ranging on this time frame, which is 4-hour time frame, you see, this is a perfect ranging market. So now expect a move to happen from that to this point, right? So that's what is going to happen on Euro NZD because it is ranging, guys. This is a perfect ranging market. So like I said, expect the market to move to the downside for around about 100 pips. So you see that 100 pips is okay if you know what you are doing, right? If you don't know what you are doing, of course 100 pips is not going to be doing anything, right? So that's 85 pips. risking around it's gonna be almost 50 pips, man. Risking 50 pips, so this is gonna be 1.87%. I mean a risk to reward ratio. So let me just shift this to the week so that you can have that perfect move. So it's almost one point. I mean a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. It's still great anyway. It's still great if you are able to get in and stuff like that. So I'm saying this trade will go down for about 98.6 pips. So look out for selling opportunity, not a buying opportunity on that. So V75 I think will push back up to the upside for now. So yeah, that's that on Euro NZD. Is there any question regarding this before I continue, guys? You have any question? You can ask if you have question before I go ahead and do some stuffs again. Right? Is there any question, guys? All right. I think that's the answer for us to know that here it is a go ahead, right? Europe PLN, we don't trade that. Euro SEC goes with you. Euro USD. So Euro USD is still going back down for this retracement. You see what is happening. So after it finishes, then it's gonna continue to go back up to the upside. So that's what I'm saying on Euro USD. Is gonna continue to go back up to the upside after it breaks some certain levels, right? Let me set this as my trend line. Then since this is my trend line and you know how to trade the breakout strategy, right? If you know how to trade the breakout strategy from here now, once the market retraces to this point, of course you'll be expecting that the market will go back down to the downside, right? Like this, then boom, to the downside. That's what you'll be expecting, right? But the market can still do another one like this, come down before it pushes back up to the upside again, like that. So that's another thing that might happen on Euro USD, but keep in mind that you have to continue to check the market consistently and continue to update your analysis and stuff like that. Is very, very important. I'm not just saying that okay, yeah, it's very, very important and stuff like that. Make sure you know what you are doing, guys. It is good. So yeah, is there any more questions so far? If there's no question, we continue. If we are not able to cover this 1 hour, at least we should be able to cover 20 minutes, 30 minutes and stuff like that. So anywhere we stop, guys. That just it. Since nobody's asking the questions and stuff like that. Eurozar, GBP 80. So GBP 80 right now will still push back up to the upside because of this support. And if the breaks are retested, it's going to continue to push back down to the downside that way, right? So like I said, it's very important for you to monitor your trade and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, since nobody is kind of asking questions regarding if they have some pairs to trade and stuff like that, then I will just go ahead and call it a day. Maybe we will still reschedule this call and see how far we can do that, right? It's very, very important. So all right, guys, have a nice day, and I wish each and every one of you that attend this a short live weekly analysis a very good and profitable week. So yeah, guys, I'm still Israel the Trader, and I'm signing out. Peace out to you.